Hello students, welcome to the online classes. I am Samuel. Today we are dealing with simultaneous linear equations in two variables. The sums that is done here is based on different methodology used for different syllabus. So you can take the sum which is for your syllabus and the sums you can watch carefully, and any doubts or clarification you can ask us. Also, I am taking for all levels, state syllabus, CBSE, ICSE and all. So whichever is your level, you can take it. If you have any doubts or clarification, you can come to our live stream. Almost every day I come, you can clarify your doubts. So we can go to simultaneous linear equation in two variables. Remember, the two variables is x and y. It can be even a and b. Generally it will be x and y. To solve two variables x and y, we need two equations. To solve three variables x, y and z, we need three equations. So we need two equations, number 1 and 2, and generally an equation is put like this. This means equation number 1. You need not write like this, equation 1 and all. So instead of writing that, you can write like this, equation 1. Similarly, this is called equation 2. This one is called equation 2. So this is equation 1 and equation 2. Now coming to the sum, the two equations are given. 3x minus 2y equal to 4, x plus y minus 3 equal to 0. The second equation is not in the standard form. This minus 3, you must bring it to the other side. That is called the standard form. The unknown letters should remain in the left hand side. Generally, the unknown letters should remain in the left hand side and numbers should remain in the right hand side. Of course, if you want, you can keep the number also this way. It's quite hard. This is quite easier. So x plus y equal to 3 is. This is called method of elimination by equating coefficients. Now look here, we got two unknowns, x and y. We got two unknowns, x and y. X is one unknown and y is another unknown. So to eliminate, you must equate x or y. So look here, equating coefficient of x. Now the coefficient of x is nothing but here 3. So you can clearly see the coefficient of x is actually 3. So you put here 3 is 2. The coefficient of x is nothing but here 1. So put here actually 3 is to 1 is 1. So put here 3 is to 1. So what you do is, again I repeat, the coefficient of x is 3. The coefficient of x is called 1. Coefficient means the number next to x is called coefficient. Now what you do is multiply the first equation by the second number 1. If you multiply 1, 3x into 1 is 3x, 1 into 2y is 2y, 1 into 4 into 4. You get the same answer. So the first equation you are multiplying by 1. Any number if you multiply by 1, you get the same answer. Look here, 2 into 1 you get 2 only. 3 into 1 you get 3 only. So when you multiply the first equation by 1, you get the same number, called the same number 1. Now what you do, second equation you multiply the first number 3. Now look here, 3 into x. What is 3 into x? 3x. Plus 3 into y is called 3y. 3 3s are 9. So this we put afterwards. So the second equation you get as 3x plus 3y equal to 9. So again I repeat, second equation you are multiplying this number that I put here. Second equation, 3 into x is 3x. 3 into y is 3y equal to 9. Now the coefficient of x became same, 3 and 3. That is why it is called by equating coefficient method. So now x become same. If you want, you can make y also same, equating coefficient, but here we went for x. Now we have to eliminate this x. So eliminate means you have to subtract. If it's same sign, you must subtract. A different sign you must add. So look here, minus 3x. When you subtract, the signs will change. All signs will change. So now when you subtract, what happens? Plus 3x and minus 3x will get cancelled. X will get eliminated. That's why it's called elimination method. Now y remains. Look here, it is minus 2y, now it become minus 3y. So minus 2y and minus 3y will give you minus 5y. Look here, it is minus 2y minus 3y. When you add, you get minus 5y. So that's what we wrote here. So it is minus 5y. Similarly, 4 minus 9 is minus 5. Now y equal to, take this minus 5 that side. So it becomes minus 5 by minus 5, which is equal to plus 1. So y equal to plus 1. So there are two unknowns, x and y. One of them we got by eliminating x. That's why it's called elimination method. So we got the value y equal to 1. Out of two variables, one variable we got y. The next variable is x. So what you do, that we call it as part 2. So put the value, substitute the value of y equal to 1 in equation 1 or equation number 2 to get the value of x. So what you do, you take any one equation, take the easy equation. X plus y equal to 3 is quite easy. So write the x plus y, you put as 1 equal to 3. Now take the 1 that side, you get x equal to 3 minus 1, x equal to 2. So here what happens, the two equations reduces to one equation. This is called linear equation in one. Linear equation in one variable. Because there's only one letter x, so we got x equal to 2. Now the solution is 2 comma 1. X is 2 and y is 1. This is called solution set. If you want, you can check the answer. This part is not compulsory. This part is not compulsory. If you want, you can check if you have time. If you don't have time, you can't do it. So you can check the answer, verifying answer. Now take the left hand side of the first equation. The first equation is nothing but 3x minus 2y. This is called the left hand side. So you write this 3x minus 2y. Put 3, x you put as what? X you put the 2, minus 2 into y you put as 1. 3 2 is 6, 6 minus 2 is 4, equal to right hand side. So the left hand side is equal to right hand side. So the equation 1 is correct. Take the second equation, take the left hand side. This is called the left hand side. X plus y equal to, you write it. Don't write this answer 3, you must get the answer. So x you put as 2 and y you put as 1 from the solution. 2 plus 1 is what? 3. So you get left hand side equal to right hand side. Here also you got left hand side equal to right hand side, equation 2. Hence the answer is correct. So you can check this answer. So it's not compulsory. Now the same sum we are doing in a method called substitution method. The first method is called eliminating coefficient. The substitution method is asked for some syllabus, certain syllabus, or in other words, if they say substitution method, you must do this method. That's why it's called as method 2, solving a simultaneous equation by substitution method. There are a lot of models in this, but we are just teaching the basic model to make you understand what is a substitution method. If you have any doubts of a particular sum, you can come in the live stream and ask us. This is a general type. Now look here, the same sum, equation 1 and equation 2. Now what you do is, you take an easy equation. Now equation number 2 is quite easy. So we can write y here, take the x that side. It becomes 3 minus x. This plus x will go that side and become 3 minus x. So this is called substitution. So you write this in a box, y equal to 3 minus x. So take one of the equation, convert y in terms of x or x in terms of 1. Now what you do, substitute the value of y in equation number 1. So this means equation number 1. Take this equation, 3x minus 2y equal to 4. This is called equation number 1. Now write the 3x as it is, minus 2y, you put this value, 3 minus y equal to 4. So in the place of y, you put this value, 3 minus x. Now what you do is, you multiply this, minus 2 into 3 is minus 6. Minus 2 into minus x is plus 2x. So just multiply this and expand, you get this, minus 2 into 3 is minus 6, you expand this. Now what you do is, you take the number that side, minus 6 you take that side. So you get, keep the unknown letters x this side, 3x plus 2x, unknown letters, x is kept one side, 6 is taken that side. So 3x plus 2x is 5x, 4 plus 6 is called what? 10. So x is equal to 10 by 5 equal to 2. You got the one value of x. Now what you do is, to find y, put the value of x in the box. See, the box is y is equal to 3 minus x. You write y is equal to 3 minus x, you put as what? The value 2. You put the x value 2. 3 minus 2 is called what? Y equal to 1. Now the solution set is 2, 1. You get the same answer. This is called substitution method. So if they ask particularly substitution method, you must do it. If they ask other method, you can do it. So this is called substitution method. You get the answer. This is method number 2. Any other hard sums or models if you want, you can come to a live stream and ask the doubts. This is the basic models we are doing. You can understand.